Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I'm going to be reorganizing my clothes and my closet. It's quite a disaster. I have this like shelf here with these baskets from the Dollar Tree out here in the hallway where my washroom is, and as you can see it's overflowing, and plus our cat Pumpkin keeps on jumping out and she'll take things from the baskets. She's a very sneaky cat. She's still, I guess, technically a kitten. But I have this item here. This is for purses from the Dollar Tree. I used to keep like sheets and stuff in that. I took that out. I think what I'm going to do is roll up my sleep pants like these. I roll them up into here, and then I'll take you over to my closet and show you what that's looking like. It's a complete disaster. I guess in the winter I just kind of get more lazy. But yeah, I want to start reorganizing this and, have a functioning closet as well. So yeah, I'll take you over to the closet now. I did donate our last bag that we had hanging here. I have a new one. This one is empty. So hopefully some of these clothes I can also donate, because I honestly do not wear a lot of the items. I used to wear them more when I worked at the daycare and not so much now. I also have our emergency bag here, which I'm also going to work on and reorganize, but probably not in this video. But yeah, when you open the closet, it is jam-packed. So yeah, this all needs to come out, and I find the best way to do that is just to take everything out and organize it as best as possible. I like put all our Christmas decorations, I just kind of shove them back in there instead of putting them in their actual bins. Our winter shovels here. The only thing that's nicely organized is my American Girl stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to get started, and I'm going to completely empty this closet out, and I'll show you what that mess looks like. As you can see, there's the little troublemaker Pumpkin. But yeah, so I completely emptied out this bottom section. And what I did was I moved like some of the baseball bats and like hockey sticks over here. I have my little handy bag and my shop vac there. So that will stay in that corner. And then up here I have this hanging thing here. So I'm thinking I'm going to do winter gear and like other outdoor stuff like our helmets probably. This is already sorted out into American Girl doll like accessory stuff, so I'm gonna leave that exactly the way it is. Now on this side I have this shopping cart here. I'm glad to have access to this because Walmart Canada screwed me over. They charged me twice for an order and are refusing to give me back my money, so I'm not going to be ordering for them anymore. I'm going to be only shopping at most likely Food Basics. So yeah, I'm going to need my shopping cart. But yeah, I started moving the clothes over as well. So I have all my sports gear stuff here. You can never have too much Montreal Canadiens themed items. So I moved that here. Then I have some of my other clothes here. This part is all empty, so I got to move those other clothes. But yeah, this is looking good. And I'm hoping this middle section here, I can put our 3 bins back in here for our holiday decor. So I'll just show you the disaster that's behind me. So right here is all the holiday boxes that really need to be reorganized. I have more clothes to be hung up. We have lots of reusable bags, which we don't need this many. There's also his toboggan there, and like his scooter and that little like sled scooter. I would like to put in the closet as well. More clothes to be organized. So yeah, I have my work cut out, but I'm sure I can just easily just organize this and get it all back in the closet. But hopefully I'll come back and show you all the things I'm getting rid of or donating. And then I'll show you the final closet. So here is my shelf that's just outside the bathroom door here. I left my stuffed animals up here. I put the socks up here. One of these orange baskets did break, so I got rid of that. I did keep the pajama shirts here because being right next to the washroom, usually at nighttime I'll just grab my pajamas. I like my socks. And then we have undergarments here, and then here I did keep all the like basketball shorts and stuff like that because I don't wear them unless it's like summertime, so I'll just keep those here for now. And then the last ones here, this one I moved the sleep pants, so this is for Nate's like play kitchen stuff. Now that needs to be reorganized as well, but I put some of his bottles in here. This one still has all the food items, and then the one at the bottom has the dishes. So yeah, this looks much more nicer and reorganized. So I'll take you over and show you some donation items and the closet and how I reorganized it. Yeah, so I did get rid of a lot of clothes. I think it's like 12 different like shirts and stuff. There's this like winter like hat thing. There's this hat here that I never wear, and then there is some bathing suit stuff that I don't wear as well. But yeah, I got rid of a lot of clothing. This is the orange basket that broke, so I'll just throw that out. But yeah, I'll show you what the closet is looking like now. Before I show you the closet, I do have all these reusable bags. I'm going to take one of them and put all those clothes in it and donate them. And the rest I'm going to put these reusable bags into Nate's closet. I don't want to get rid of them necessarily because his room does need to be cleared out. I still have to go through all the holiday decorations and probably donate some of them as well. But yeah, so I have a lot of these. I'm just going to store them in Nate's closet temporarily. So here's a final look at the closet. I did hang my bag that I take into town from Dollarama on the store here. And then I have my new Tinkerbell bag that my sister gave me for Christmas. So as you come up here, the American Girl doll boxes are still up there. And then my other ones that don't have boxes are there. And my My Life as dolls. And then in the corner here, I did put all their like accessory items for those dolls here. I don't really do it that often, set them up anymore, but I still want to keep the items. The shopping cart I moved here. The shovel is in the corner with the pool noodles and the, you know, hockey sticks. Down here is the shop vac and the handy vac. This bag here has some rocks that the neighbors and Nate had painted for the garden outside, but we brought them in for the winter, so I'll have to put those back outside. We unfortunately got snow again on Monday night, so it's not really spring here right now. But yeah, so I put the bins for our holiday storage here, and like I said, I have to go through them and probably downsize those as well. I have 3 of my mini American Girl dolls. I have to figure out where I'm going to put them, but I just laid them on the top here for now. And then I have some extra hangers here, which I'll probably have to move into Nate's room once I redo his closet. But this thing here from the Dollar Tree that's supposed to hold purses was perfect for all my sleep pants and jogging pants. So, great little storage item. And then I have this new hanger here that is from Temu, and I started hanging up my pants. I have to do laundry and hang up the rest of my leggings, but that'll be perfect for that. And then this is here. This one is, I've already started moving some of the winter gear in here, but I kept a lot out because, like I said, it snowed again. It's quite cold. But then I have our bike helmets and then some other outdoor, like, hiking shoes on top of this storage for our holiday decor. And then I use the S-hook for all my tank tops. And then I organized all my shirts finally and put them back, you know, nicely. Hopefully I can remember to just put away my laundry and hang them up, because then I'm often looking for stuff and I can't find the shirt I want to wear. So hopefully I do have the little separators, so hopefully I'll keep me, you know, on top of it. But then lastly, we just have Nate's little ski sled thing there. I kept it there that way if he does want to go down the hill. Right now with the snow he can. The toboggan I did move into his room because he probably, you know, would want easy access to it, but I just put it in underneath his loft bed for the time being. But yeah, I'm happy the way this turned out. I hope I gave you some ideas in case you live in a small space and how you can organize things with, you know, different hangers, different little organizers. But thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care, and bye for now.